Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photo with Realme 9 Pro Plus. To do this, you'll need to open your camera, move to More. Here you can find Ultra Macro. Then pick up your phone, choose the object you want to take a picture of. In this case, let's go for this plant right here. You might not be able to see this, but you need good light on your photo. And also point it about 4 centimeters away for the best results. So I think this should be fine, and we can click on a shutter. Also try to be stable, and then let's open the photo. And that's how you take macro photos. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.